Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys a product that was sent to me the other day. And this is a product and accessory for a smart home device that you might have in your home or apartment, and that's the Amazon Echo Dot. This is an adjustable stand for the 3rd generation Dot. It will only work with the 3rd generation Dot, and it is available, I believe, in a well, obviously a black, but I believe they make it in a white as well. And you can kind of see what it looks like right there. The idea in this is to actually get your Echo Dot up off the surface you're gonna put it on, and totally expose the speakers and far field microphones, so you get better voice recognition and better audio output. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the 3rd generation Echo Dot, and I wasn't gonna go out and just buy one just for the heck of reviewing it. It is what it is. It's pretty basic, and you guys can get the general idea of how this works. You basically have a swivel mount very similar to what you'd find on like a security camera, and you can adjust this 360 degrees to your liking. So again, that's gonna help get the microphones and the speaker up off the surface you're putting it on, and hopefully help to provide better output and better voice recognition. That's really all that I really can say about it. It's got a 2-year warranty, and in the event you have any issues, I can't imagine you would, because it's not like it's going to be something you're going to be picking up, moving around. This is something you could probably wall mount if you wanted. It would require you to put a couple screws in this and screw it into some sheetrock anchors. Definitely something that you could do if you're a handy kind of person. For me, I've mounted a few of my Echoes in-wall flush mounts and ran the lines inside inside the wall. And inside my office, I have a ceiling mounted by a company called Mount Genie, which mounts the Google Home Mini in the ceiling. And I will tell you that there is a noticeable difference in the audio output, and of course in the ability for it to pick up your voice when it's mounted kind of up and higher. So what's nice about this is if you're going to mount this, let's say you're going to put that, most people won't do that. A lot of people are just going to put it on their table or on their desk or on their nightstand. This is kind of nice because you can angle it. You know, if you have it against maybe you have it on a nightstand and it's pushed up against the wall. I would think a lot of people who have stuff like this, I think about the areas I've had mine, and there's always a wall behind it, whether I have it on a china cabinet or I have it on a wine rack, or if it's mounted in the wall. You never really have it in the center of the room because most plugs are going to be against the wall. So this is a nice way to kind of angle it against the wall and really take advantage of these the microphone array in the Echo Dot, and just going to get overall better sound quality and better voice recognition. Now again, I haven't tried this, so I'm assuming that's what you're going to get. I can only give you guys my experience with some of the mounts I've used in the past, and there has been a noticeable difference by moving, getting the device up and getting it completely exposed. And with a ceiling it's a little bit different because now it's in the center of the room, so that's a little more involved to do something like that. But I think this is a great product. I want to thank the company for the generosity in sending this to me. This is by a company called Bujeki, B-U-J-E-K-I. I will put the link in the description if you want to make a purchase, pick one up. It's only $13.99. I think now the holiday season is coming around. If you are looking to buy somebody maybe the Echo Dot, for their home or whatever, if you're thinking about that as being a gift idea, this is a great accessory and another gift to open, another stocking stuffer, which I think it looks pretty cool, and I think it definitely gives a little more pizzazz to the Echo Dot. So alright guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to ask. Drop me a comment, drop me an email. I'm always here to help. Once again, I want to thank this company for their generosity in sending this to review. I might give this away as a subscriber kind of prize, so if you're interested in this, let me know. I might just go ahead and throw it on eBay as well. I don't have any friends or family that have the new Echo Dot. All the ones we have are older, but you never know, maybe down the road, maybe I'll need to replace one. This will be perfect for me. So guys, thanks again for watching. If you like the content, do subscribe to the channel, click that bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video, and you guys have a wonderful day and take care.